right? Don't cut very far. I don't know. What do you think you're doing? Whatever I want. £20 there.
20 grams.
Yeah, buddy. Gotta do whatever you can to bust that, try and be able to bust that third gen's ass.
You know, that single turbo and that twin.
I know. No, it should be a good race. So what you think? You be ready when it comes back to the dining line? Is that what you're telling me? Well, as much as that's gonna do as you do. What? Spin. I pretty much got mine figured out. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. By the time you get back from the demo, I have mine more figured out than that. Yeah, we got a motherfucker in together. Well, this is ridiculous. No time I need something more. Find here, find there. I'll scroll through a whole shit ton of shit. part.
Well, mine, fucking, I find them on eBay more, I guess.
Don't worry, I ain't got a problem busting your ass if you can't hook.
I mean, really, what fucking much can I do with that suspension? There ain't like a shit ton of adjustment to it.
There's a lot, we'll get it worked out. I won't do you that dirty, buddy. I'll at least try to help you get it right.
I mean, really, what is there to fucking